Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device and OS are current. Once updated, open the Shortcuts app and tap the plus sign to begin. You choose a trigger now, manual run, widget, Siri phrase, or an automation, because that determines how you'll invoke the shortcut. Make sure to name the shortcut clearly and pick an icon for quick recognition. This first step gets you into the editor and sets the intent. Without a clear trigger, the rest won't behave as you expect. Next, add the specific actions that perform work. Search or pick from scripting, apps, media, or web categories and wire them in order. Use variables to pass data and insert if blocks or repeat loops to handle branches. This is how you make the shortcut robust. Once you place actions, test each one immediately. Use Show Result or Quick Look to inspect outputs, because validating as you build prevents compounded errors later and clarifies why a step might fail. Finish by configuring run options and placing the shortcut where you need it, home screen, widget, or a Siri phrase. Then enable needed permissions like photos or location so actions can execute. Once saved, run the entire shortcut end-to-end to confirm behavior. If it fails, check variable types, action order, and whether permissions were granted. Make small edits and retest only the failing section. Having a single troubleshooting tip, rerun step by step, quickly reveals where logic or access is breaking down.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.